Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the location selection. Right, so first of all, suppose you want to establish one industry, one plant. At that time your location should be proper, right? Then you can generate whatever product you want to make. That will be a good product. Okay, so first of all, you can see choice of site for selection, right? So in which considering two types to consider: selection of the region and selection of the locality. Selection of region means what? Whatever plant you want to establish, at that time which state is better, which region is better. So first of all, you have to check, you have to analyze that particular thing. Generally, the geographical area is divided into the natural regions. For example, Maharashtra state, Gujarat state, right? So which states you have to select, which region you have to select, which is depend on particular whatever you want to make a product, right? What is your product, what is your you want to make the product. At that time, that depend on that particular product, you have to select the region, right? So second thing, you can see selection of the locality. So in which consider urban area or rural area, right? Which area you have to choose for particular your plant, your location, right? In urban area, you can see there is a number of facility available. In rural area, little bit less facilities available, but you can choose whatever you have to which selection you have to get the profit for the maximum amount of profit, right? So over here you can see the following factor must be considered while selecting the location of the factory. So first one, availability of raw material. Availability of raw material. So whatever our product we have to make, right? So before the starting the production, first of all you have to require the resources of raw material, which type of product you have to make and which type of raw material required for that particular product, right? So first of all, you have to check whenever you have to select your location, availability of raw material, right? So suppose you have to make a sugar. At that time, whenever sugar cane which is easily available, that area you have to select for the sugar factory. Second thing, availability of labor. We must know about the without labor we can't generate any product, right? So which type of labor you have to require, right? So in which consider semi-skilled, skilled labor, right? In urban area you have to select easily skilled labor, but in rural area at that time you have to require semi-skilled labor, right? So depend on which area you have to select, and without labor we can't generate any type of product. Third one, you can see transport the facility, transportation facility, right? So whenever our production will be continuing, our product will be fall into the market, at that time transportation is facilities required, right? Suppose our plant is so far away from the market, at that time our product which is put into the market, at that time transportation facilities required, in which consider railway, shipway, airway, right? There are number of way, but in railway which is cheap compared to other way, but you have to select your site particular, you can choose the transportation facility. After, you can see availability of power and fuel, right? So we all know about that whenever we can generate some product, at that time power is required, because there are number of machinery we are using, and without power we can't imagine. Also fuel, suppose a diesel engine, something engine is required, at that time fuel is necessary for that particular working our engine. So availability of power and fuel, so you must select the particular region, particular area whenever we can easily get the power and fuel. Availability of water, right? Without water we can't imagine particular our machinery as well as our human being. Water is necessary, water is required. Without water we can't imagine our production, our worker, right? After you can see government facilities. In some areas government gives some type of subsidy to generate our particular area development. At that time government will provide the subsidy. So this type of government facility also you have to check. After you can see availability of land. Without land we can't establish our plant. So which type of land you have to require? So first of all you have to see what about the cost of the land, right? In urban area the cost of the land is very high, and in rural area cost of the land is a little bit low compared to urban area. So which type of land you have to require, right? That is the factor you have to consider. Nature of the land, right? Nature of the land means what? Suppose you want to establish one plant, and at that time that land which is look like fertile, at that time what happens? Sometimes earthquake or this type of disaster occurring. At that time there are a number of problem arising. So first of all you have to check the what about the withstand the land capacity, right? After medical facilities, we all know about that whenever plant is running, at that time there are a number of labor is required, and those labor who have the family, right? So at that time also they have to require this type of medical facilities available near the plant. Availability of colleges and school. So already I said about the medical facilities, there are a number of workers and there are a number of families which is situated in the plant. At that time their sons is required education. At that time availability of college and school is required. Last one you can see climatic conditions. Suppose which type of product you have to make, that depend on the climatic condition, right? So first of all you have to check the what about the past scenario of that particular location. This type of earthquake, this type of volcano is arising or not. So you have to check the past condition of that particular location, and after you have to select the particular location. So this type of criteria you have to select whenever you want to establish one plant, one location area you have to select. So this is the basic whenever suppose you want to select your location for particular your plant. Thank you.